To get access to the driveshaft carrier, we're going to have to remove both the front and rear heat shields. We're going to remove as many fasteners as we need from the splash shields in order to free up that inner edge, let the heat shields drop out. Now we're going to make 2 cuts on the OEM carrier frame to release the bearing from the carrier. Use a razor blade to cut the rubber bushing material away, releasing the bearing completely. Use the razor blade to trim down the center rib till there's just a little nub left of it. Leave the base layer of rubber attached. Now we're going to attach the new carrier. Put the bushing into the top half of the carrier. The text on the bushing that says front is actually going to be facing towards the back on this one. The text on the carrier itself will be facing front. Then attach the 2 halves together with the Allen wrench. Switch back and forth from left to right as you're tightening it so the bolts don't bind in the holes. Now you're going to take your bolt, the fender washer, and the isolation damper, and go up through the carrier. Then bring another isolation damper down from the top, and then put your small washer on the very top, and then go up into the body of the car. Same thing on the other side. Bolt, fender washer, isolation damper, then go up through the carrier, bring another isolation damper down from the top, and then put your small washer on the very top, go up into the car.